Take a bowl. Here I have a packet of amloki powder. We add 2 spoons of amloki powder in the paste. You can also measure it according to your hair length. Add coconut oil to make a paste. Take an egg and mix it with this texture. Squeeze lemon juice so that it can reduce the bad smell of the egg and also add the shine in hair. Mix, 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 mix. Our pack is ready. Apply it on your hair gently, then wash it with clean water after 20 minutes. You will see the difference. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more useful videos.